Hey guys, bringing you yet another tutorial. Oh, I'm getting into these now. I'm doing so well. This one, the name of this one will be custom weaponry, or a quick look into custom weaponry, and just a cool little nifty thing that I stumbled across and found when I was looking elsewhere for cool little nifty things to do with weapons, shields, armors, and things like that. So what we have here is just a standard sword. All I've done into it is held on it and gone into the character studio and gone into the attachments, and I've added this fire emitter, angled it down and placed it above the sword's point, just a little bit above, and you can even go down and bring it down a little bit more if you want. Just leave it about there, that'll do, no problem. We've gone into its properties, so if we've gone into edit and gone into the properties, appearance, and I've turned the visible to off to make it an invisible weapon. So all we would see is that fire emitter and nothing more. We've not had to change anything with the character, but all of it is contained within the brain of the sword itself. And there isn't that much to it, to be honest. It's quite simple. So we've just got the simple line of when it's not equipped, do nothing. So it'll just stand there. When it's interacted, it equip me. It refers to the thing that interacted with it. So it would be us, and equip me being the sword. Once it's been interacted with and it's equipped, so once it's been equipped, it'll create a shockwave. You can add these two lines if you want. It'll create a shockwave around the weapon along the floor. I like the effect, it looks quite cool, and it'll also play some sword noise everywhere. That hasn't got much to do with it. The actual flame bit is the meat of it. That's the next bit. That's all this bit down here. So what we've got to do is go into appearance, hologram. That's the main bit. That makes this effect look really, really cool, and you'll see why. This is just a custom colour. You can choose whatever colour you want out of the entire set of colours that exist. Another line. So that is literally it. That's all you got to set there, is just a hologram and then a colour. And then we'll go down and we'll put equipped, and we'll go for owner, which you'll find in objects, and then it's the second page, owner, and we'll say when the owner is attacking, and we'll set the visible, which you'll also find in appearance, and we'll set that to equals to true, and true you'll find in the values, the boolean, and then true. See, so whenever it's attacking, it'll turn the visibility of the weapon to on, so we can see the weapon. So that is quite simple. And we'll child another link underneath this one, and what we've done is gone into the in-will picker. You can go that to objects, in-will picker, highlighted the fire emitter gizmo, selected that, and then put power on. See, it'll come into brains, which you'll find on the second page, brains, power, power on. And then on the same level of child, for this one we'll put else. So else if we're not attacking, if the owner isn't attacking with the weapon, the visibility equals false. And then we've used that same gizmo, put that in, and we've just selected power off instead of power on. And that is literally it, and you can get a really cool effect where you have this invisible weapon, so you just have this fire, and you'd pick it up, you get the noise, you get the shockwave, and then nothing. But then when you press X to attack, this weapon appears. It appears with this red glow because that is the colour that I picked after the hologram. I think that is a really nifty effect. It's really cool, and I like it, and I'm actually using it in the map I'm doing at the minute, so feel free to mess around with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Ta-ra.